Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we break down products with all the details you need to know before making a decision. Today, we're taking a close look at the Gourmia Countertop Commercial Blender. This blender is built to tackle everything from smoothies to soups, with a powerful motor and thoughtful design meant for family-sized servings. Let's see how it stacks up when put to the test. The Gourmia blender boasts a 1,500-watt motor capable of reaching an impressive 45,000 RPM. This high-speed performance promises to crush ice, blend frozen fruits, grind nuts, and power through tough greens with ease. It's equipped with a 2-liter BPA-Free plastic jar, which can hold up to 8 cups. The jar comes with a built-in tamper for thick blends like nut butter or frozen desserts. With a variable speed dial and 4 one-touch presets, including smoothie, soup, ice crush, and pulse blending, it's versatile in its control. Plus, the blender is designed for easy cleanup. Every removable part, including the jar, lid, tamper, and measuring cap, is dishwasher-safe. All of this fits into a compact design, measuring 9.3-inch L times 7.8 W times 18.5 H-ish, making it easy to store even in kitchens with limited counter space. Now let's talk about what it's like to use the Gourmia blender. Setting it up was straightforward. No complicated assembly or setup required. The 2L jar feels sturdy yet not too heavy, and the tamper is a nice addition for thicker blends. When I first powered it up, the 1,500-watt motor really made a difference. Whether I was blending frozen fruit for smoothies or grinding almonds into a fine butter, the blender handled it all without hesitation. The variable speed dial gives you the flexibility to adjust the blend texture, and the presets are incredibly convenient for one-touch operation. For example, the Ice Crush preset worked perfectly when blending a frozen margarita mix. The blender powered through ice like it was nothing. However, while it excels in performance, there are a couple of small drawbacks. The noise level is something to keep in mind. The motor's high RPM generates a fair amount of sound, which may not be ideal if you're someone who prefers a quieter kitchen experience. Also, the jar, while spacious, is plastic. And though it's BPA-free, some users might still prefer a glass jar for its durability and resistance to staining. But these are relatively minor cons when you consider the overall functionality and power. The Gourmia blender certainly offers value for money, especially if you're looking for something that can handle both everyday blending tasks and tougher, high-performance jobs. With its 1,500-watt motor, you're paying for a blender that doesn't back down when it comes to power. Comparatively, blenders like the Vitamix or Blendtec also offer high-performance motors, but tend to come with a higher price tag. The Gourmia, while more affordable, delivers solid performance for a fraction of the cost, making it a great option for anyone who wants professional-level blending without the premium price. In terms of build quality, the Gourmia blender feels well-constructed. The motor is powerful and reliable, and despite being a plastic jar, the overall build seems durable enough to withstand regular use. However, as with many blenders in this price range, the long-term durability of the plastic components will be something to watch out for. While no major issues have been reported so far, if you're concerned about long-term wear and tear, it's always worth considering a brand with a reputation for exceptional durability. Customer support has been minimal in my experience with this product, as I haven't needed to reach out for assistance yet. However, based on the company's reputation for creating accessible, user-friendly kitchen appliances, I would expect that they provide solid support if needed. Finally, the Gourmia blender doesn't rely on firmware updates or any software components, so there are no updates to worry about. It's a straightforward blender with no bells and whistles when it comes to technology. What you see is what you get. To wrap it up, the Gourmia Countertop Commercial Blender delivers high performance, ease of use, and practical features that make it a solid choice for anyone looking to level up their blending game. It's got a robust motor, ample capacity, and cleaning convenience. But it does come with some noise and plastic material concerns. If you're after a powerful blender that won't break the bank, this is a solid pick. It's perfect for anyone who needs a blender capable of handling tough tasks without having to pay for a luxury brand. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts about the Gourmia blender, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. Until next time, this is Reviews Inside TV, helping you find the products that really deliver.